Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious garlic hummus at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, along with 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Also, have 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of good olive oil on hand. Don't forget a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Now let's get blending. Add your drained chickpeas, minced garlic, tahini, and lemon juice to a food processor. Pour in the 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Process these ingredients until they form a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. If the mixture seems a bit too thick, you can gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water, blending after each addition, until it reaches your desired texture. This is where you make it truly yours. Taste your freshly blended hummus. Does it need a little more zing? Add a bit more lemon juice. Want to deepen the flavor? A tiny extra pinch of salt can make a big difference. If you prefer a lighter, airier texture, simply blend in another small amount of cold water until it's just right. Keep blending until everything is perfectly combined and smooth. Your homemade garlic hummus is ready. Spoon it into a nice serving bowl. For a beautiful finish, drizzle a little extra olive oil over the top and sprinkle with some paprika or fresh parsley. It's fantastic with warm pita bread, crunchy fresh vegetables like carrots and cucumbers, or your favorite crackers. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.